This ride takes us through Hyderabad, moving along the city roads during the ride. The mood here is calm and focused, with the sound of the engine carrying us through the changing rhythm of the streets. Let the road unfold naturally as we settle into this stretch. A little further along, this part of the route shows a grounded side of Hyderabad, where everyday movement defines the street. Shops, side lanes, and passing vehicles build a sense of momentum, and the pace stays steady. It is the kind of stretch where the ride feels less like a destination and more like a continuous observation. As the ride continues, here is something worth knowing about this part of Hyderabad. The Nizams maintained their own currency, mint, and railway network within the Hyderabad state. That local detail adds depth to what might otherwise seem like a simple road, and it reminds you that every ride here passes through layers of history and routine. Coming into the next stretch, from the rider's perspective, this section is defined by spacing, timing, and attention. Traffic flows in its usual unpredictable pattern, so every opening on the road matters. The experience becomes less about speed and more about reading the street early, staying smooth, and keeping the ride controlled. As this ride through Hyderabad comes to a close, the journey may be simple, but the texture of the road, the city, and the ride itself is what makes it worth watching.